Item sales pricing is defined through a couple of different methods within Business Central. Let's start with the customer, and let's have a look here with the customer. Click on the customer's record. You can access it through the menu here, or through related, prices, and discounts. And we've got 4 options here. All right, what does this do? So let's click on prices, and let's set a scenario with this customer when we have this particular item, and this item is usually worth $1,470. We're going to sell this for $1,400. Okay. In the same time, we have the ability with this customer to set the same item. Okay, and coming over here, we can say when they buy 5, we will allow the price to be $1,350. Now, there's a few different things that are going on here. We're setting a unit price. Okay, the alternate method that you can use is the item will actually have a cost, and you can say cost plus 10%, cost plus 5. And it automatically calculates the price. And this means that if you do this, you don't have to keep updating your price. As your costs increase, your sale price will increase dynamically. All right. All right, so we've got a scenario now where the price is now reduced to $1,450 on this item. If we go have a look at this item, you'll see in the item card that we're currently selling this $1,477 is the cost. So we want to be selling this for $1,893. So let's adjust our expectation here as shown there. I'm going to say 1,800, 1,750. Okay. Now, one thing that's super important here that you can use, many customers go through a season, like for example, Christmas, and they apply a new price list as of the 1st of January. You can actually expire your pricing and have a fresh starting date of the same items on your sales prices. All right, so this right now is just a customer. So this applies only to this customer's record. And so if I go to the next customer, they won't have any special pricing. The next way to apply the same principle of sales pricing that's shown here in prices is to group them together using a customer price group. Now, there's a couple of different methods here, but you can create a customer group, which or referred to as a tier in the industry. You can use pricing tiers, or you can just create a dedicated customer price group here. I can select that, and straight away the pricing that's within that price group is now set over this customer. Let's go back. Let's hit prices. And let's now change to customer price group. And I can now see I'm part of this group, and I also have a pricing offer that's significantly less than what I had on the customer's card. Okay, it's well below cost. So let's say on this that we're going to do it at 5% and 4%. So we now have a conflict between the customer, between the pricing and the price group. The rule here with Business Central is the lowest price will win. So if you have a price of $1,800 on this item, you have a price on a card of $1,700, and then you've got a price group which is $1,600. The price group will set the price on the sales order or the sales invoice. All right, so that's pricing. Now, before we move on from pricing, we do have the ability to set with pricing whether we want to allow invoice discounts with this or allow line discounts. So this can stop a customer being doubled up with both a discount and a reduced price. custom pricing. You'll see the same setting against the price group just here that allows you to set that on the group that the customer doesn't double dip. Going back to related, we've got here invoice discounts and line discounts. Let's take a look at line discounts. And this is where it's going to allow me against this customer to set for this item, same item, and I'm going to say if we get 15 of these, we get a discount of 20%. You can have item discount groups in the same principle of what we just showed you with customer pricing and customer price groups. And then lastly, what you've got available here is the ability to turn around and add a discount depending on currency that the customer's trading in. So here I have, if the customer spends $100,000 in Australian dollars, we will give them a 3% discount. Let's pull this all together. Now we have pricing and discounts overview for this customer that should show us their pricing that's currently available to them depending on all the different configurations we've done. So we can see here we've got some discounts, we've got some item pricing, and we've got some pricing groups that they're part of. Now you can turn this another way and you can go into your inventory. And from your items, we can see here the Athens desk. And this is just a different way of seeing it. You've got prices and discounts, which shows you sales prices and sales discounts. Let's take a look. For sales prices, I can see here that we've got a price group and customers that are set against this item. And these are the settings that apply. I can see here as well the sales discounts and what the scenarios are where those discounts will apply. And the same features available through more options, related, actions, purchase, discounts, prices and discounts.